With TalentLMS, turning your courses into revenue is easier than ever, thanks to built-in e-commerce features that make selling seamless and intuitive. Let's explore e-commerce in TalentLMS. Log into your portal as an administrator, click on Account and Settings, then Integrations, and scroll to the e-commerce processor section. TalentLMS natively supports PayPal and Stripe as payment methods. For this example, let's use the PayPal option. Enable PayPal from this toggle button, enter your PayPal email address, and click Save. Next, let's set the prices for your courses. Head over to Courses and pick the one you want to put a price on. Click Edit Course followed by Course Options. From the Info tab, scroll down to Price. Enter your value and click Save to update your course. Want to offer more value? Use groups and categories to bundle courses together at a more affordable price. To create a group bundle, go to Groups and click Add Group. Give your group a name, a description, and pricing in the respective fields, and click Save. Next, assign courses to your new group. Hit the Courses tab, click Add Course, and select the courses you want to include. Voila! Your brand new bundle is now ready. Your learners can view available courses and their prices from the course catalog page. From here, they can also select the bundle you've just created. Learners can purchase the entire bundle or individual courses that suit their interests. By clicking Get All or Get This Course, they will be redirected to PayPal for payment processing. Once their payment is completed, their purchase will be available through their TalentLMS homepage. Start earning from your e-learning content right away, thanks to TalentLMS's powerful built-in e-commerce tools. No add-ons needed.